Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to 2-bar-28 Levonia Street in Western Springs. This home is such a great option if you are looking to get a start on the city fringe, if you're downsizing, or if you're looking for the perfect lock up and leave solution. An exciting apartment alternative, this home is perfectly designed for couples or small families, with open plan living spilling to a north facing oasis. Flying off the hallway, you'll find 2 double bedrooms, a bathroom, a separate toilet and excellent hall storage. And a single garage and covered parking at the front door are super convenient. And it's all located in such a great place, with Kingsland, Morningside and Greyland villages only minutes away. Close proximity to the cycle path and great public transport options, and of course Eden Park. Make sure you come along on the weekend, we look forward to seeing you here.